Hello Ride-On people, it's a freezing cold January day. It's literally around freezing. I think it's about 33 degrees at the moment. And anyway, I've got a little mark at the base of the tank on the Street Triple RS. I don't like tank protectors, I don't like the look of them at all. And normally I actually buckle my belt buckle to the side by my hip rather than in front of me, so that I don't scratch the tank. But I lent the bike to somebody to have a go on it, and when I got home I noticed there's a little mark on the tank and I'm not able to manually polish it out. I've tried all sorts of different products and stuff. So I got this for Christmas from Mrs. Ride-On. So this is a kit from SPTA. I'll put a link in the description, just got it off Amazon. And essentially this is it's a power paint corrector polisher. It comes with all these different heads and a spare battery. It comes in this nice case. And I bought some of this, which is called 3D hybrid compound and polish. Again, I got this from Amazon. I've just seen it in a couple of product review tests, and I hope put on one of these soft pads that I'll be able to polish out the mark on the tank, but we'll see. I've never done this before. So this is the mark here. It's quite small. It's kind of thumbnail size, but try as I might, I got the worst off, but I just can't get out that last little bit, and I'm hoping to get that out. And if I can get that out, I've got this much deeper scratch in the Rivian. I'm not quite sure whether that was a mirror on the bike or something like that, or shopping trolley or something, but bodywork and the paint colour is very nice on the Rivian. And if I can get the mark out on the Triumph, I'll have a go on this. Right, I don't know how well this is going to come out on camera, but we've got a bit of polish on, and let's give it a go. Right, that's on the slowest setting of 1. I think it's got 8 settings, and I would say it's about 30% better. So let's just up the speed slightly. Right, that seems to have got it, but I've just put a buffeting, buffeting kind of soft cloth head on it. I'm just going to give it a little polish, and then I'll show you the results. All right, absolutely beautiful. Looks absolutely A1. Not great lighting conditions here, sorry about that. But I can tell you without question, without a shadow of a doubt, that's looking factory fresh. Beautiful. So the end result on the Rivian is still visible. It is right through to through the base coat at this point here. It really needs repainting really, and I could use a touch-up paint and then blend it in with the kit. But on the whole, I'd say that's a good kind of 75% better for just a couple of minutes of work on number 3 with the cutter, cutting polish, and then the soft head to polish it up. So it's improved, and it's better, and really the kit for the price seems very fair. And if you've got a few marks in your bodywork, or perhaps you've got a new vehicle and you want to do your own paint correction before ceramic coating it, very easy to ceramic coat. I've got a video out on that if you want to look that up, ceramic coating your motorcycle. And I think if I got a new motorcycle now, I'd definitely go all over the bodywork to do a paint correction and do a ceramic coat myself. Save yourself a good bit of money, and You can buy the kit and the ceramic coating kit for probably less than 200 bucks all in, and it certainly costs you a hell of a lot more to get a professional to do that. And once you've got it, you can do it again and again on however many vehicles you may have, whether you have a Multistrada, a Tesla, a Rivian, or a Triumph. Anyway, very happy 2024 to you all. I wish you good health and happiness in the coming year ahead.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.